Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Yard Abroad with Erica, the Jamaican-style cooking on Facebook. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the page. Thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your comment and liking the page and the channel, guys. So, guys, today, as you see, I'm making some fried plantain. I already, cut up the plantain, and right here I'm frying these plantain, guys. So, I'm making breakfast. So guys, this is a simple breakfast I'm making today. Nothing heavy, nothing extravagant. Just fried plantain, and we're gonna have some callaloo and bread with this. So right here I already fried some of the plantain, taking out the plantain out the pot, guys. So I like when my plantain nice and brown. I like a little color to my plantains. So I always let them brown in the pot. So guys, wherever you're watching from, drop in the comment section. If you come across this channel, please subscribe and comment, like, share, and follow the page, also Facebook. So guys, just so right here I have some already left over, and I'm putting the rest in the pot, guys. So right here I'm frying the plantain, guys. I got this plantain. I didn't have to buy them, guys. I get them from a community pantry that support us in the community where food is rationed right now are expensive. So we are so grateful for all these places that donate to these charities that are able to support those who need it, that those who need stuff that they don't have to spend money and buy. Where I must say thank God, because I'm so grateful to God that I can get these stuff. I don't have to spend money to buy food as much as before, and so I'm grateful. So guys, if you have a community pantry where you can get food, don't be fearful. Just go and get your food, guys. There is no fear in the game. If you want food and there's a community pantry, put pride aside and go get your food, because it is there for you to use. So if you don't have to buy food, just go to the pantry and get yourself some food. And for those of you who don't have pantry in your community and you have space where you can plant stuff, plant your own stuff. Plant your stuff, guys. It might not come today quick, but at least in the future you can say you have your thing. So guys, just plant your stuff. So as you see right here, I'm turning the planting, guys. If you do planting, don't turn your back on it, guys, because they burn quick. So right there I take out the planting, and now I'm gonna get ready to do the next process of what I'm cooking today for my breakfast. Quick and easy breakfast, guys. So guys, if you're still watching the video to this point, please comment, subscribe, and share. Put your notification bell on. So right here, guys, I'm putting my seasoning. So I have some tomato, some pepper, some bell pepper, and some onion, guys. So I'm sauteing these, guys, and I'm putting some Maggi all-purpose fish seasoning, guys. To me, season, so I don't pay attention to the brand name. So right here I'm just putting some of that Maggi all-purpose seasoning, because I like to season up my tomato and stuff before I add whatever I'm putting in. Right here I'm putting some garlic powder. Yes, I'm putting some garlic powder. That seems like a lot of garlic powder, but hey, some garlic powder again, guys. Double garlic powder. Yeah. Yes, man. We're just nicing up the stuff, guys. Nicing up the stuff. So guys, right here I'm stirring everything together. Not using a lot of powder seasoning today, but still nicing up the thing, guys. So this is, as I say, a quick and easy breakfast. So guys, how are you guys doing today? Guys, I pray that you all are doing well, and walk in the presence of God, knowing that Jesus loves you very much. Yes, guys, I still have to drop that in. So right here I'm putting some Jamaican jerk sauce. This jerk sauce is kind of spicy, but not too spicy. Where that's not bad, because I don't like the spicy. So this is not too bad. So right there, as you see, I put my Jamaican spice jerk sauce, and I'm stirring up everything to get the thing going. So right here, guys, I'm putting in my spinach. So this is not callaloo, guys. This is spinach. The regular spinach, and this is another set of spinach I get from the community pantry. I don't want it to waste and spoil, because these things, guys, as soon as you take them from wherever you get them from, they go bad quick. So this time, guys, I am not wasting anything over here, as my motto is, over here we don't waste anything. And so right here I'm putting my spinach in my pot. I'm trying to hold everything in because I know once it's steamed down, we're not gonna have a full pot. So I'm just putting every leaf that I can find, every leaf in the pot, guys. So yes, man, this is what we're doing this morning for breakfast. Quick and easy, guys. So you see, I put the not the callaloo, I put this spinach in, I cover it, and now I'm testing it, guys, to make sure it is steaming down so I can mix everything together, man. Yeah, man. So right here, guys, guys, you see, I have to be backing off this child. He like to come in front of the stove, and so I'm backing him off. So because his mom don't want him to, I don't want him to be on social media anyway. So I have to watch him sometime because I didn't even see him creep up behind me right here. I hear him coming. So right here, guys, you can see the spinach already, steam down to not much in the pot right now. So right now I'm stirring everything together, all the green seasoning into the spinach. And so once I do that, guys, I don't have to add any more powder season because all the powder season was already in the tomato and pepper and onion. So in that case, we don't need any more any more powder season. And the powder season already have salt, guys. All these powder season, if it doesn't say no salt added, then they have salt in them. So you have to watch the amount of salt you put in your food. So guys, once you use the powder season, you don't need any salt. So that's how it go over here. So guys, we watch our salt over here, guys. Trying to eat healthy, guys. Guys, the more you go up in age, you have to start choose to eat healthier, and so that's how it goes. So right here, guys, you see the spinach steaming down. That's my plantain all finished and waiting for us to eat for breakfast. Yes, so that's a nice bread, the bread that I have, guys. I forget the name of it. Yes, guys, but it is a nice bread, guys. If you see it in the supermarket, you can try that bread because I like how it's nice. You can just break it and eat it. So guys, right here you see my spinach already steamed down. There go my bread, and I'm plating my little breakfast: spinach, plantain, and bread for breakfast, guys. And I did enjoy this breakfast, so I hope you enjoy watching me making this breakfast this morning, showing that you don't have to cook extravagant stuff to post online. You can post simple stuff, where this is one of the simple things that I cook today. As I say, some spinach with the bread. This bread, guys, I love this bread. Even though it's a lot of carb, but I really like this bread. If you see it in the store, try it out. Tell me if you see it and you try it out and what you think about it. Yes, man. And so here is it. I'm plating my food, guys. I did enjoy this breakfast, guys. I hope you enjoy watching the video. So now I'm putting in my plantain, guys. The plantain is already ripe. So not ripe, but it's ripe enough to have that sweetness to it. So even though I take a couple pieces, guys, I keep, guys, I'm putting in the plate and I'm tasting at the same time. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get down in this one. So you see right here, guys, there you go, guys. That's what it looks